Okay, I might do this one next up here. 33 minus 12 is 21. Looking good so far. I'm going to have to do a subtraction now to fill in these two boxes down here. So I've got 44 minus 17 minus 12. So in total that is 29. So 44, 29 away from 44 is going to give me
15.
So that number there has got to be
42.
okay. Box complete. Box complete. Let's go back to the question. One person who prefers to buy in a shop is chosen at random. What is the probability that this person is aged? Did you say under 25? Under 25. So how many under 25s like to buy in a shop?
50.
How many people like to buy in a shop on total?
44.
What's hard about that? Yeah? Yeah, building a table. That was tricky.
Would you need the answer like that, or would you like make it into a decimal? or
No, that's
something?
it. It's up to you that, but I would just leave it at that.
Unless
Unless they say, give it as a percentage or give it as a decimal or whatever. Just leave it. Yeah, you've done the work. That's the hard work in this question.
Is that a final answer?
That's it. Yeah, just can't simplify it. 15 over 44. That was a 4-mark question. So you can see with probability, they're going to mix these up. You're going to get tables. You're just going to get sentences. You're going to get trees. It's pretty rare that you have to build your own table. I've only seen that one time in all the questions I've done. I've only ever seen it one time, where you have to build your own table. But we've just built that table with that information that we had there. It takes a bit of thinking about to build a two-way table, but you can see from the information that we could quite easily do it, because we were given some of the numbers. We can build a tree. We did it with the cricketer. Yeah? We know how to do that. We did it with the footballer who wanted to be the goalkeeper. So we know we can do that if we need to do it. It's pretty rare that you do need to build a table or build a tree. More often than not, the table's given to you, the tree's given to you. Yes, there'll be missing numbers like there were in this. Yes, like there were on the tree questions. You have to find those missing numbers, but just remember it adds up to 1 all the time. When you get a question like this, remember, if the question says one person is chosen at random, then it's everybody. Yeah? If it's more specific, like this question was, person who likes to buy in a shop, then you can forget online. Yeah? Because it's not asking you about that, it's asking you to focus solely on the shop, making the question shorter, because we didn't need those numbers. Because them are the only numbers we needed. We didn't even need those numbers. We just needed those numbers. So it's made the question a bit shorter. 15 out of 44. So these are the skills you need to, when you're reading these probability style questions, how to work them out. Yeah? They're not terribly difficult in the exam, to be perfectly honest. They're quite popular, and not very difficult. The other thing you've got to remember is if you've got two events, you must multiply. Don't add. It's dead easy to fall into the trap of adding them together. Make sure you multiply them. Normally, there'll be decimals. Occasionally there'll be fractions, but if they want you to multiply them, 9 times out of 10 there'll be decimals. Okay? 9 times out of 10. So basically that's probability. It's not an amazingly difficult topic, but it's like anything in this, what we've covered so far in the maths, it's understanding the questions. It's what's it saying? What's that question saying to me? It's not so much the actual sums. They're fairly straightforward. It's what is it actually saying to me? I meant to give you this one as well. It's supposed to be stapled to that, and I don't know why it's not. It's about Tim doing a survey in a shopping centre, so we might as well do this one. What time have we got, by the way?
That's
10 past 5. Plenty time for more maths. So, Tim, it's two sides. So you've got some information on the front. Why I did give you that massive thing with space on that front page, I do not know. But yeah, it's two sides. Where did I put that blue paper? Oh, so have a go at Tim.